pwede pong mag-zero yung kuryente.
Can you imagine? Ngayong umaga, pag-uusapan po natin ang solar energy. Aba, makakausap po natin ang CEO ng Helios. Magandang umaga po sa inyo, Sir Edmund Martinez. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Nina and Sir Migs. These are power plants on top of your roof. But what's amazing po is with Helios, meron ho tayong financing partners. So we have 20 financial partners. All of these financing options makes it easy for people to avail. Na sometimes po, kung properly specified, as low as 5,000 a month, you can already get your solar.
Nung kinumpute ko yung 400,000
Math.
divided by 5,000 a month, babayaran mo siya in 6.6 years.
Opo.
But in the long run,
Yes, kung 25 years po yun, after
Oo.
nyo bayaran in 6 years, lahat po nung 19 years na gagamitin nyo, libre na ho yun. Hindi na ho lalabas sa wallet ninyo.
To be clear, no, yung savings po na hindi yan overnight. Tsatsagain talaga mga 6, 7, 8 years bago mo talaga makuha yung
Mababalik.
full. Mababalik.
Oo.
Pero at the same time, panghabang buhay na yun. So importante yung long period of its durability, sir.
Kaya very important din, sir, that you have that conversation kasi para tama po yung specification.
Oo
Para nandun sa ideal point kung saan nyo mababawi.
thank you very much, Edmund Martinez, ang CEO po ng Helios Solar Energy. Yeah, maraming salamat.